Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I have a best padlock. This was sent to me by Charles Builds Crap. And there is no key to this lock. I have picked it a couple of times to open. I have not got it to control yet. So there's the bidding on the keyway. And if I can get it picked to the control, then I'll go ahead and gut it, and we'll see what's in here. Maybe I can go ahead and make a key then. Okay, let's see if I can get this open on camera. I think these best padlocks are fun to pick. There we go. Oops, it fell out. Well, I know it's open. Here we go. Well, there it is to an open again. I just can't seem to get it to control. I'll keep trying. Anyways, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you go over and check out Charles Builds Crap. It's got a super channel. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.